Yeah, welcome guys to the second part of my backtesting series. Um, Today we will be backtesting the third week of January 2022. I already backtested 2 weeks of data, and I'm currently at a 66.67 percent win rate. If I can stay at that win rate, I'm pretty happy. If I can stay between 60 to 70%, I'm happy with that. And yeah, I'll just go into the next week, and yeah, I'll just show you guys why I take the trades that I take. And yeah, okay. Um, we are skipping to Monday 17th January, and we recently tapped into this. Wait, where's my box? We tapped into this buy side, sell side imbalance. I'm sorry, and we actually reacted from there. Also on ES, we just reacted from there, and right now we created this um, daily imbalance, which we are currently hopefully reacting from. Yeah. Other than that, we still reacted from this weekly bullish gap, so we have to be careful about that. Um, but we're not swing traders, so um, I would personally prefer short, but we'll just have to see what the market gives us. Yeah, I could see a resweep of these highs, and this low as a draw. Yeah, this doesn't look as clean as the last week already, but I think it's fine. We also have this low here as a potential draw. Okay, this could already be a trade since we tapped into this gap right here and we resweeped this high. Let me see on the S if we have some kind of SMT or something. I think I'm willing to take this trade for a 1-to-1. Yeah, put my take profit down here. And I think that's a pretty good trade to take. Yep, okay, break even here. Hopefully our take profit gets it, and it does. So that's a pretty good trade to take. It's not A plus since we didn't tap into a very high time frame key level. It's just this 5-minute gap, and we get the resweep here. I didn't even mark out the inversion, but that's the trade I took. Yeah, the inversion right here. We got the resweep of this internal low, internal high inside of this gap, and I think that's a pretty obvious trade. I think we may even go down here without coming back to my entry point, but I'll just see. This is a typical day where we just flash down like crazy. I don't take another trade today, but I can show you guys which would be valid. Yeah, okay. So very good trade, very good start into the week, and I'll just move on to the next day. Same thing as yesterday. Bearish buys. We are reacting from this sell side imbalance, and we're heading towards this low. On yes, however, we already swept this. It's not monthly. We did sweep this. What just? Oh my god! Oh my bad. It's 1 minute time frame. I was confused. Yeah. On the yes, we also have this low as a draw. I'm sorry. Okay. So this is my absolute draw, and we have this right here. I could see a resweep of this low at this high, and then a short to these lows right here. So we'll just see what the market gives us. Okay, that's kind of it's a very bad price action. Yes, actually looked better. On yes, we got the retracement in this 5-minute gap, and then the 3-minute inversion, but would have been a break-even trade. And I don't trade yes. Okay, this looks good. Because we left equal lows, relative equal lows, and if we get a inversion to the downside now, or maybe a sweep of these highs right here, maybe I will look for shorts then. Where's the 4? That's the 4-hour gap. This would be very good draw, and yeah, actually we could see longs up to this high if we get a clean inversion now, but this is not, it's not clean at all. Okay. This actually doesn't look good for bad for shorts now. If we inverse it, but I think we didn't inverse it. Okay, maybe we get the reaction from this gap. "30-second time frame maybe. I'll just mark it out, but I won't take it. It doesn't look as clear to me. I really want to just take the best trades I can, but this doesn't really look that obvious to me, if I'm honest. Yeah, but I just mark it out. It's because I don't really like taking 30-second inversions that much. So I would rather wait for 1 minute, but there's no 1 minute in there. Yeah. Why isn't? Oh, yeah. I could have taken this 5-minute inversion right here, but it's too late now. Would have looked like this. Okay, yeah, we're already very late into the session, but no trades for me. I wasn't really that happy with the 30-second inversion, so I obviously didn't take it. Yeah. Let's go to the next day. Okay. On Wednesday, we are still bearish. We did react from this low, so we could also see longs up to these highs maybe, but we'll have to see. There's not really a draw to the upside where I could see shorts from. So if I want to see shorts, it would be a continuation model. Yeah. Because it doesn't look that clear to me. We swept out this high, but it's not inside of a fair value gap, so it's not really worth taking. Yeah, that's why I don't take these trades. doesn't really look good. I have no clear idea on what trade I would take, so I'll probably just skip. Yeah, there's no fair value gap being created, so nothing. Yeah, now we took out this law, and it's already pretty late into the session. But maybe we get some kind of retracement now. Okay, no, it's way too late now. 11 a.m. If this would have happened earlier, I would have taken, yeah, this inversion right here. But it's way too late for me. I won't take this trade. Yeah, idea is correct, but I don't like taking trades after 11 a.m. Yep. Also, no trade day. Let's go to Thursday. And yeah, my bias is still bearish because we're just my higher time frame is bearish because we're just trending to the downside. But right now we're pretty bullish on the 1 hour, so we'll have to be careful if we catch some shorts. But if we come up here, get a sweep of this internal high, then I would take a short. Okay, got the sweep. Maybe the inversion to the downside now would be very clean. 5 minutes, 3 minutes. Yeah, the 3 minute will open right here. We probably won't catch the entry. Okay, yeah. We didn't get any entries, and our model protected was right there. But we got a. Wait, would I count this as a resweep? I don't really know. If we continue being that, having that bullish price action, I will actually switch my bias, but I don't know yet. Okay, we're reacting from this buy side. 30-second. Yeah, okay, I'm willing to take this trade for a pretty safe break even. I don't see why you shouldn't take this trade. Maybe if I'm lucky, I won't get stopped out. Well, I will get it will run to take profit instead of just being a break-even trade. Okay. Yeah, that's a break-even. Okay, so may actually switch my buys now. Up to this daily. Oh my god, I can't talk. Up to this daily imbalance right there. If we get a retracement into this low, I would like to see an inversion to the upside, and yeah, that would be my ideal scenario. Okay, we actually tapped into this gap. If we get this inversion now, then I'm willing to take the trade, no doubt. Let me remove this. Yeah, so we tapped into this gap here, and hopefully get the inversion to the upside. Okay, yeah, it's a pretty bad close to be honest, but I'll just take it anyways. Just for a 1-to-1. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I don't see the why this would be a bad trade to take. Yeah, break even there. Hopefully just runs to take profit, and it actually does. And Yeah, that's a good week for until now, because that was a really good trade. I was bearish at first, but when we just started to disrespect these gaps and created this imbalance, which we clearly got good reaction from, there's no point in not taking this inversion to the upside. Yeah, just for a one-to-one, maybe even top take this profit. Okay, yeah, let's just go to Friday and see if we get another trade this week. And my average trades is my average trades per week is around 2 or maybe 3. It's around that. It's around there. I have a lot of break-even trades though, so there may be a lot of break-even days. Yeah, Friday also bearish. There's no point in going bullish here. And yeah, I could see short if we take out one of these highs and get an inversion from there. Also on yes, I'll have that in mind. We have equal highs here with this gap. Looks perfect if we sweep it. Okay, we swept it on Nasdaq, but I still want to see a sweep on yes. So I don't really like this inversion. Okay, yeah, there's no entry here. Could take this one, but we just tapped into a 4-minute. I would have liked to see the 5-minute, but yeah, based on yes and yeah, I wouldn't take this. Maybe we get a retracement now, but it doesn't look good. I mean, it's a clear draw lower now, but I don't see a trade opportunity because of just this bad price action on the higher time frame. Yeah, we took out this low right there, so we'll have to be careful if we take short. There's no reason in taking stupid losses now. There's really no gap where we could react from, so that's kind of unfortunate. Yeah. This may actually be a long opportunity. Reacting from this gap on ES and this low on Nasdaq. I still think we want to go up there on ES, so I could take this for a pretty safe break even again. We have this inversion here, and I'm willing to take this trade. Absolutely, yeah. Also very one-to-one. Okay, that's a quick break even. Hopefully this goes up to my take profit. We did not take out this high on ES, so oh, okay, that's unfortunate. It's after 11 a.m., but it really looks good. It really does. We got these equal. Are these equal highs? No, it's not. But we still have. We created another equal high on ES, so we got the inversion with good amount of speed. So yeah, I will take this trade even though it's after 11 a.m. I'm pretty sure that we just going to take out this high on ES. So I'll go break even. Okay, I'll go break even now because we took out this low, this high, and there's no reason to keep holding this trade. Okay, would have been take profit, but would have broken my rule. So it's a late trade anyway. So yeah, let's go to analysis. And yeah, we're currently at 70 point. Oh my god, a 75% win rate. Which is actually very good. But we'll have to keep in mind we also only backtested not even a month, so this will sink like 10% maybe. And yeah, this week I took 2 trades. Yeah, 2 wins, 1 break even. And yeah, not that exciting day, but yeah, backtesting session, but I think it's important to also upload these videos. So yeah, tell me what you guys think, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for the next week if I'll post it. I don't know. Yeah, have a nice one.